Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can draw a shape in your whiteboard presentations on Wrike. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your account on Wrike, navigate to whiteboards or to the given whiteboard within your space. I will go with this one. So that's the editing space here, or the canvas. So what you want to do is, let me just zoom out a bit and show you how to draw a shape. So there are two ways how you can do this. You can either use the brush tool for that to draw it by hand, or you can use the shape tool here or use the shortcut S for that. Click into it and choose one of these shapes, a rectangle, circle, triangle. And we got various lines. You can also click into more here and gain access to more of these. Like for example, I don't know, let me go for example with a rectangle, and then if you click into it, it will be added to your list. You can also select it here and then draw it with your left mouse like that with custom aspect ratio. And then guys, switch to the select tool here, and you may left click into the given shape and resize it, for example using these corners here like this or like that here. And then you may customize the appearance, like change the border style, the fill color, like this, and so on and so forth, guys. You can insert text. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.